we are going to graph a polar function, r equals 2 minus 2 cosine theta. If we're using the TI-84, we're going to click Mode and go down to Polar. And now when we're in y equals, it's actually r equals. We'll type 2 minus 2 cosine of theta. Notice that this xt theta n button will just be theta. And then we are going to change our table. So second window, let's start it at 0, and we're going to go up by pi over 12, it says. Auto. As we look at the table, we can fill it in with these values, going all the way up to 2 pi. So this is pi over 2 right here, pi, and here is our 2 pi. So to plot all of those points onto your graph, it's going to look something like this. Now we may want to change the view a little bit. Maybe we make a square window, for example. Maybe you want to zoom in a little bit. I like the last one a little bit better. And this is what our graph looks like. So think about what symmetry this might have, but I'm going to show you a few other ways to graph this. So let's start with Geogebra. I already have it graphed, but I'm going to take you through the steps. What you do is you type r equals 2 minus 2 cosine, and then you are going to have to use that pop-up keyboard at the bottom to get to ABC, and then click on the Greek letters to get theta. And then we'll see this is the same graph that we were looking at before. In Desmos, you can just put in r equals 2 minus 2 cosine theta, and notice down here below it says that they're using from 0 to 2 pi, which is perfect. That works great. In Wolfram alpha, use the words polar plot in the beginning, and then 2 minus 2 cosine theta will give you the same graph, which you can download, or if you click the share button, you can export the image. Let's say if you needed to send it to a Google Doc, for example, you can change the line thickness and the size, and so on and so forth. And again, there you have it in 4 ways: the TI-84, Geogebra, Desmos, and Wolfram alpha.